Hello everyone, my name is Swathi Charakal, and today I will be going over CCD 2020 Virtual Classroom for Holy Family Kanaya Church in Atlanta, Georgia. So the tools that you'll need are Google Classroom and Zoom. For Google Classroom, you need to make sure you have a Gmail account, and if you don't have one, I will show you how to create one. The reason why we need this is because you're able to share your documents and link, create assignments, and conduct tests in this one application. With Zoom, if you don't have it, you need to go to zoom.com/download. We use Zoom to face-to-face see your students. You can also share your screen to show documents and videos. Now I'm going to go and show you how to create your Google account. So if you don't have a Gmail, you can go to gmail.com, create account for myself, fill this out, hit next, and make sure you save your password. And once you've done that, you go to classroom.google.com. So that's classroom.google.com. To add your class, you go to the plus sign, create class, press enter, continue, write your class name, so second grade CCD class. That's right, second grade. You can leave this blank and hit create. Now that you have created your Google Classroom, you probably want to invite people. So go up to the People tab, and this is where you start inviting. Now if you have an assistant teacher, or you need to add my mom or Father Bobbin, you hit invite teachers. You write their email, so for my mom would be roycebindu@gmail.com. Click this and press invite. You need to make sure that it's a Gmail account or else they can't get into the Google Classroom. Same deal with the students. You can either enter their email or you can send a link to all the parents and it will take them to this and it will make sure that they sign up. Some parents might ask for the class code. So all you have to do is click on this button and you can see the class code from here. So if you want to see a little bigger, you can hit display and here it is. And this is another way to get the invite link. So you can just press this. So invite people, you want to hit the People tab. Now if you want to post anything, such as a reminder, you can write it right here. So reminder, class is tomorrow at 11 a.m. Sorry. And hit post. So now everyone in the class will be able to see this reminder. You can also use this to post YouTube links. So if you wanted to post the Syro-Malabar Diocese of Chicago YouTube links, all you have to do is go to their website, go to the online CCD class, choose the grade you're in. So I'm grade 2. Go down, get the link, copy it, go here, paste it, and hit post. So now everyone will be able to see this. Now, if you wanted to post the PDF, the textbook lesson, all you would have to do is click on it, download it. So it's right here. Now go here. You need to make sure you write something here. So press lesson 1, then press add, file. So you have two options. So if you have it already up like right here, you can just drag it and it will automatically attach. Or you can press add, file, upload, browse, and find where it is. So right here. Now if you have a Mac, this will look different, but it's the same concept. And then hit post. Now if you want to create an assignment, you go to classwork, hit create assignment. So it could be as simple as watch the YouTube link. And you can, so here I have the link attached in the instructions. You can have a due date related. You can add points and then just hit assign. So this is your assignment, and you can either find it in classwork or on stream. Now to have any quizzes or tests, you can hit create again, quiz assignment. So suppose you are writing up the midterm. You can, and then you would go on the Google form, give it a title. So now you would write the questions. So you have multiple options when you're writing the question. You can have a multiple choice, paragraph, checkbox, drop down. So I'm only going to go over multiple choice and paragraph because those are the most likely questions that you'll be asking. So for multiple choice, I'll give an easy question like, who is Jesus's mother? Option 1, Mary. Option 2, Elizabeth. Option 3, Sophie. And option 4, Ruth. Now give it an answer key. So which one of these is the right answer? Mary. You could give it a point value if you wanted to. 20. Hit done. Then make sure you press this required button right here. And that's it. So if you want to add another question on top of this, you would press add question. And this time, let's do a paragraph. So we write, who is Jesus's mother? So they would write in Mary. And you can go to the answer key and give it a point value. Done. Make sure that you hit the required button again, and you can keep on going. So this is the basics of creating a test or a quiz. So you can exit out of here, it will save. Hit a due date, the 27th, and assign. So these are the basic functions of Google Classroom: a post, a link, a PDF, create assignments, or a test/quiz. Now we will go on to Zoom. So Zoom. Sign in. If you don't have an account with Zoom, you can create one, or you can just sign up with your Google form, with your Google email or Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and do it with my Gmail. So just keep on. Open. Now, to schedule a meeting, you would make sure you press home, press schedule. We give it a title, so CCD, second grade. Host is on, participant is on. So you can change the password if you wanted to make it easier. So church. Give it the day and time. So the 27th at 11 a.m. So Zoom only gives you 40 minutes if you're more than 3 participants, so be aware of that. And hit schedule. So you get back here. Now to see your meeting, you would go to meetings. You can press start to start the meeting, and then copy invitation to give it to everyone. So let's press that. And then this is why you can also use Google Classroom, because you could just paste that right here. And then post. So your students would come into the Google Classroom, get the Zoom link from here, and the password from here too. So you can press start. Make sure you join in with your computer audio. Over here to start a video. Over here to share your screen. So you make sure you press this screen. And if you're playing any videos, make sure you press the computer sound and your video clip. Okay, and then press share. And then once you're done with the meeting, make sure you press the end and end meeting for all. Thank you. I hope you learned how to make a Google Classroom and Zoom.